Hey, writers! I hope everyone had a wonderful long weekend. I'm so excited for today's lessons, friends. It's going to be a phenomenal one. So please stay with us while we go through the last step of the writing process. Today is Tuesday, October 13th, 2020. Let's get started, friends. So you were asked to do a do now, and for the do now, you had the question, would you rather give option one or option two to someone? Would you rather give option one or option two to someone? Before you give someone a drawing or a present that you made, you probably take time to make it look its best. You probably take time to make it look its best. So, in my opinion, you would probably have chosen option two for both your drawing and the wrapping the present. That's because it looks its best. You might wrap up the present or find a way to display the drawing so it looks as good as it possibly can. Friends, let you in on a little secret. Writers do the exact same thing. They do the exact same thing with their writing. They make sure it looks its very, very best before displaying it or sharing it with others. Let's read our objective today. And a one, and a two, and a three. Kipsters will be able to publish their opinion essay by handwriting or typing up their final copy. Friends, I am so excited that we are on the publishing step of the writing process. This is where you get to share your writing with everyone. You are either going to handwrite it or you're going to type up your final copy. I am so excited. Now, friends, let's do a little bit of a refresher. What is publishing? Publishing is the last step of the writing process. It is step 5. What step is the publishing in a writing process? It is step 5, friends. Step 5 is publishing in our writing process. This is where you have an opportunity to share your finalized work with others. You want to publish your very, very best work. Friends, we've already done step 1. We've already completed step 2. We've completed step 3. We've completed step 4. We are on step 5, which is publishing. I am so excited. Now, before we get started publishing our final copy, we need to follow the criteria for success. There are 4 steps that we must follow. The very first step is we need to find our draft. We need to find what? We need to find our draft. That is step 1 of the writing process, or of their publishing step. Step 2 is to choose if you want to type up your writing or handwrite your final copy. So this is where you get to choose. It's your opinion if you want to type it up or handwrite your final copy. Step 3 is where you're actually going to do whatever you chose. You're either going to type up or handwrite your final copy. So if you chose to handwrite it, that's when you're going to handwrite it. If you chose to type it, this is where you're going to type your final copy. And then finally, step 4 of our criteria for success, this is where you're going to turn in your final copy to the Google Classroom. You're going to turn in your final copy to the Google Classroom. Friends, in the next video, I'm going to model using our 4 steps of the CFS for publishing for my writing. I am so excited. I will see you soon, friends.